Yo, what's up, everybody? How's everyone doing, man? This is the haul from like whether 2 or 3 weeks ago, man. I don't even remember. Um, but yeah, man, let's get to it. Take a look. This is the Honda Civic, the EF. Red color. It's got some nice, or what's left of, nice front tampos, and like I said, it's not in the best condition, I guess. Some side tampos, nothing on the back, but yeah, this casting is well known for us JDM fans. Very nice casting for sure. And take a look, man. This is the one everybody's been talking about. Everybody wants to trade me for it. This is the 2009 GTR Nissan, and I guess this is Speed Machines, like a series that Hot Wheels released. I don't know much, but I thought they when they were asking for the Speed Machines, I thought it was a different brand. How you got like the M2s and all that. So I thought it was a different brand. So I was saying no, it's a Hot Wheels, not Speed Machines. But yeah, I guess it's a series that Hot Wheels released. But yeah, man, this is a beauty right here. And you guys know, man, I don't really trade my JDM finds. I hardly do. But take a look. There's another Honda Civic, the SI. Very nice. This is a 2000, and it's got some nice graphics. Um, but yeah, it's got like a hip hop and I don't know what that graffiti says, but very nice. It's not that bad. The window needs some cleaning. Like I said, I kind of wiped them clean for a little bit, but they need like a major wash and whatnot. And take a look. This Infinity is not in the best condition. It's actually in poor condition. But Jorge Delgado has been wanting to do a trade, and he just said if we could get him all the Infinities we find. And so this was the only one we found at that day at the flea market. And take a look. There's a Subaru, the WRX. Very nice looking Subaru, man. With a nice clean baby blue tint, chrome interior, and it's got like a little some dirt on the back. But very nice. Very nice. Oh man, this one right here. This one I did not get it on camera. My phone was dead, and I went and grabbed I think it was a Tomica right here. Tomica, and well, we'll get to them, but yeah. And I was like, man, I don't think I went through this row, and I didn't get to show this one. I found this one and a few other ones here that did not get streamed live. But take a look, man. This is a Honda Civic Si. I think this is a '08 or '06. Yeah, 2006 or 2006. But in amazing shape, man. Very nice. Chrome interior, smoked or lightly tinted on the windows. Very nice looking, man. The Honda Civic Si, like I said. Even this Evo right here, man. This Evo didn't get to be streamed when I found it. Very nice, sweet looking Evo. So this one is going for Adam Cornelison, man. I know you're gonna love this one. It's got the back tampos, and it's blue, and there is pretty much minor paint, and it's in good shape. Take a look. It's got faster than ever wheels, and it is a great casting overall. It's got the fog lights with the nice looking grill. But yeah, not bad at all, man. And take a look. I got the NSX, and this one I even saw this previous weekend. I saw like two or three, probably two, but yeah, they were not in this best condition, man. This one is clean. Cause sometimes there are paint chips, or the paint is faded or been played with too much. But yeah, this is the Acura NSX. Sweet casting. One of my favorite castings. And take a look. This is a Honda CRX, which I did pick this one up. There were some other color variations which I left behind. I think it was a red or a white. I don't even remember, but yeah. And in the live stream, I was explaining how the engine's on the back, because it wouldn't fit with that indentation that it has on the hood. So nice looking CRX. Take a look. This is a Ferrari right here. 599 GTV. Very nice. Like I said, they're not in the best shape. Most of the cars that you find at the flea market, but you will find a lot of Ferraris though. Some might be in excellent condition, some are not. Like this one is in great shape. There was a second one, but I left it behind just because I didn't. If I'm gonna pay 50 cents for this one and the other one was like not the best condition, I wouldn't have paid 50 cents for the other one too. So to get the better deal, I only grabbed this one. Pretty much like a brand new. And I know I traded one carded, so now I have it loose, luckily for me. So I don't have to open the one I already have carded. And take a look at this GTI, man. Volkswagen. Very, very nice, man. It's got some tampons on the back, the top, and the front, man. You don't see that very often. I always say this, but it's true. Take a look at the back, the top, the hood, and the front. Sweet casting. Great casting for sure, man. Very nice. Import. BW. And also these Evo in different color variation or graphics, and it is looking nice as well. Sweet Lancer, you know, 2008. Very nice. But definitely, man, I really like the blue over the baby blue. Take a look at this Morris Mini, or Mini Cooper. However, they changed the names on these castings. But this is the one that opens up. Let me see if I can take a look. This is the interior. A lot of details. ¿Te gusta este?
Sí.
¿Tú tienes uno como este? A ver, show me. But yeah, man, my son he's saying he's got one just like it. But yeah, man, this is a great casting for sure. Mini Cooper with the pop. I don't even know how they call these things, but that's a nice, cool feature.
Show me this bus. The tower.
The bus, it's a school bus.
Yes, has name is tower.
No, see, it's the Hot Wheels. And take a look, man. I'll put this one. I'll put it back in a minute. This is a Beetle, and I picked this one simply because it has back tampos, front tampos, and we really like the BWs. Yeah, even though this is a fair new casting, it's nothing like the old school classics, but it's looking sharp. The nice, the black interior, and we got some Vipers here for Adam, man. We got three over here lined up. There's the gray one. There's the black one. Viper. Nice casting. And there's a third one with I think this is a Maisto. Yeah, Maisto. And it's look like it's missing a wing. Very nice Vipers. Maisto 1998 GT2. And moving on to trucks, man. Take a look. This one is nice. Very nice, great shape. Um, just amazing casting. Very heavy. Plastic base, but still heavy nonetheless. And take a look. Circus on wheels. Very nice. And it's got like let's see what that says. Imperio the Fire Eater. Nice. Nice looking 50. Take a look, man. This one is great. Fine as well, man. Flames. Chevy. ¿Qué pasó?
¿Quieres grabar este carrito?
Este es tuyo?
Sí, pero ¿quieres grabar?
Yeah, take a look. My son's bus. This one was not really meant for him, but he opened it. So it's his now. Very nice looking VW bus. But yeah, man, like I said, this 62 is a great addition to the trucks. Sweet casting. And in addition, a 69 custom Chevy. Take a look, man. I mentioned this in the live stream, how there's a gap from the chassis to the base, which I hadn't realized it. I wasn't saying it was a error or anything like that. It's just I'm just like shocked that I never realized it. So I just mentioned that, and it is a nice looking 69 Chevy, and it is very nice, fire looking, and it's got the Hot Wheels on the back. Take a look at this one, man. Yeah, this is looking nice, and it's got the flames, man. This is excellent condition, if you ask me.
Papa, I crashed right here.
You crashed? Oh, be careful. And it is a very nice addition to the collection. Also, take a look. Hot Wheels, Hot Bird, Hong Kong. Wow, it's the school bus.
See?
Hong Kong bays, black walls, metal on metal. Really old school. I mean, it is not like a red line, but still sweet casting, and of course is in a restoration condition. And take a look. A Ford.
A Ford?
Yeah, this is a Ford. Very nice. 56 Ford with the nice fire flames. Yeah. And it's got some nice a yellow tint. Looks like a chrome interior. Sweet, you know what I'm saying? And nice looking engine coming out. And take a look. This is a Enzo Ferrari. This is the one I found carded just recently too, with the Samex. This one is missing the emblem over here, which had the Ferrari, but it does have the tampos on the front, so that's nice. And yeah, very nice. And take a look. I almost left this Taxi Impala. Very nice 64. Very nice for the low riders. I think I had found one, but this is definitely in the better condition. Also, this is the one I went back, man. This is a Tomica. I don't even know what it says, but it's a Maserati Merak SS made in Japan, and I don't know, like, are those the specs, or I don't know exactly. It's probably just the 1/62 scale. I don't know what the F45 or told me. I think that says. But yeah, man, excellent addition. Not the best shape, but it is what it is. And also take a look. This is a Ferrari right here. What is this? Is a Ferrari 458 Spider. Once again, man, like not the best condition, but definitely like if in the future, man, we might do some restorations. But who really knows, man? Take a look. Also, a metal on metal surf and rescue Hot Wheels. It's got a little bend on the headlights on the top, man, but nevertheless it's very nice, and it's got the um diving equipment on the bed. And this one also same casting, different graphics. This is a Baywatch. This is very nice, and I think the wheels are different. Take a look. Same casting, the wheels are different. Both are metal on metal. Made in Thailand on the blue one, and it says made in Malaysia. But yeah. And last but not least, man, take a look. A Porsche Carrera Hot Wheels. This is looking like a bigger scale, but still nice. White interior, clean white interior. But yeah, man, I think that's it. Other than that, I better see my son trying to show you guys his cars and whatnot. It's just so fast. But yeah, guys, definitely hit up your flea markets, and you just do not know what you're gonna find, man. A lot of greatness over here. My favorites, like I said, JDM for sure. These ones are the best ones for me. NSX, Civic Si, the GTR, the Civic Si, the EF, Infinity, the CRX, and then you got a Subaru and the Lancer, and you got the 510. Damn. And the trucks, man. I mean, this is pretty much what I go for. But this last weekend, man, we grab a whole lot of cool castings, man. Like, oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and record it right now, actually. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I mean, I'm not gonna upload it right away, but I will record it right now. So yeah, see you guys, and stay tuned. Yeah.
Bye.
See you guys.
See you guys there.
Yeah.